Good morning, everyone, and I will share the HIV and AIDS awareness. Table of content. Number one, learn more about HIV, AIDS. Number two, common myths about HIV and AIDS. Number three, impact of HIV and AIDS. Number four, all about HIV and AIDS. Number five, preventing transmission. Number six, current HIV and AIDS situation. Learn more about HIV and AIDS. HIV, or human immunodeficiency virus, attacks the immune system, making harder for the body to fight infections. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is an advanced stage of HIV where the immune system is severely compromised. Common uh, common about HIV and AIDS. Common myths about HIV and AIDS. HIV and AIDS means in the community. Organize a community seminars or workshops to educate people about HIV transmission. Prevention and treatment tailor the content to address local misconception and cultural sensitivities. Empower young leaders to evacuate for HIV awareness. For example, in the Philippines, youth leaders have been trained to lead local campaigns, dispel myths, and promote healthy behaviors. HIV means in the family. Families can educate themselves and their members about HIV and AIDS, its transmission prevention and treatment. Open discussion help dispel myths and reduce stigma. Providing emotional and practical support family members living with HIV is vital. This include accompanying them to medical appointments, ensuring they adhere to treatment. Impact of HIV and AIDS. Immune system damage. HIV weakens the immune system, making individuals more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Side effects of treatment. Antiretroviral therapy, or called ART, while life-saving, can cause side effects like fatigue, nausea, and other health complications. Chronic health issues. Over time, untreated HIV can lead to severe health problems, including weight loss, neurological disorders, and organ damage. HIV attacks the immune system, weakening the body's defenses against infections and diseases. Without treatment, it can progress to AIDS. Opportunistic infections, like tuberculosis and certain cancers, are common in individuals with AIDS, significantly affecting that quality of life. Despite its severity, advancement in antiretroviral antiretroviral therapy (ART) have transformed HIV in manageable chronic condition for many. Stigma and discrimination associated with HIV/AIDS eh, continue to create barriers for those living with the virus. This can lead to isolation, mental health struggles, and loss for support system. Families affected by HIV and AIDS may face emotional and financial challenges, particularly in households where the primary cancers are impacted. Awareness and education campaigns aim to combat stigma, foster inclusivity, and encourage testing and prevention. So, all about HIV and AIDS. The HIV is a virus that attacks the body's immune system, specifically the CD4 cells or T cells that that they called. Which help combat infection. It left untreated, it weakens the immune system, making the body vulnerable to diseases. HIV spreads a bodily fluids like blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. It cannot be transmitted through casual contact with hugging or shaking hands. HIV continues to challenge societies worldwide. not just as a health issue but also due to stigma and misinformation. Advocacy and education are key to breaking barriers and supports affected individuals. So the preventing transmission, step one, get get tested, visit a clinic or testing a center offering HIV testing. Many communities also host free testing events. Second step, avoid sharing needles or syringe. If injecting drugs, ensure the use of sterile equipment every time and consider joining harm reducing programs. Other precautions, ensure safe blood transfusions. Always receive blood from entrusted sources as donated blood should be rigorously tested for HIV. Prevent mother to child transmission. Pregnant women with HIV can take antiretroviral therapy to lower the risk passing the virus to their babies during pregnancy, delivery, or breastfeeding. Delivery options like cesarean section may be considered for additional safety. Regular health checkups, routine medical screenings, and discussions with healthcare provider can help identify and mitigate risks related to HIV. Education and awareness. Spreading accurate information about HIV transmission and prevention to reduce stigma and encourage safe practices. So the current HIV and AIDS situation, uh, online is 16.5, 4.1, and the majority case of 65%. Approximately 39.9 million people are living with HIV worldwide. The majority of cases, 65%, are in the WHO African region, where the epidemic remains most severe. In 2023, an estimated 1.3 million people acquired HIV, and 630 people died from HIV related to cause progress. Antiretroviral therapy, or called ART, has transferred HIV in manageable chronic condition for many, enabling long and healthy lives. Global efforts to aim to meet the 95 targets by 2025. 95% of people living with HIV knowing their status. 95 of those diagnosed receiving ART. 95% of those on ART achieving viral suppression. In 2023, progress toward these goals included 86% people living with HIV knowing their status, 77% receiving ART, 72% receiving achieving viral suppression. That's all. Thank you. At marami po kayong matutunan sa na-discuss ko sa inyo. Thank you.